You guys must be thinking why arms workout and why is it so important? You guys know I always talk about fashion, styling, clothes, makeup, and all and all and all. But the main motivation comes from, in the way you're looking, your posture, the way you carry your clothes. And I think working out helps in that a lot. But how arms workout is gonna help in that? We girls wear so many different types of styles, different type of clothes, and different types of sleeve lengths and sleeve styles. डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्लीव्स जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा फन एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटल लगती हैं. एंड आई रिमेंबर जब मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्किनी थी एंड व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू नॉट वर्क आउट एट ऑल ना, सो आई वाज वेरी मच अशेम्ड ऑफ माई आर्म्स. वो बहुत ज़्यादा से स्टिक टाइप लगती थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू वेयर लाइक मैं उन्हें हाइड करती थी मोस्टली लाइक फुल स्लीव्स वगैरह पहन के. बट लेटर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट आई रियलाइज द चेंज, आई सॉ द चेंज. एंड हमारे आउटफिट्स को वो और ज़्यादा अच्छा करने में, जब हमारे आर्म्स पूरे टोन्ड होते हैं ना, वो बहुत अच्छे से प्रेजेंट हो जाते हैं हमारे आउटफिट्स एंड वी लुक more put together, more confident and more stylish. So that's why I decided to film this video wherein I'll be showing you my basic arms workout routine which I'm currently doing at home. Yes, without any equipment because gym mein nahi hai hum, and that's going to be very easy and basic which you guys can even do at home, and that will not take a lot of your time because we're free right now. So also guys, along with this video, my other videos related to fitness are all linked in description below in a playlist, so do not forget to check that out. And let's just get started with this one.
Starting with push-ups. I know it can be hard for beginners, so start with doing wall push-ups. Just stand against the wall and try to do normal push-ups. It will help in boosting up of your stamina and strengthen your arms. And once you get hold of it, start with doing knee push-ups where you try to hold half of your body weight. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions every day until you start doing 2 to 3 normal push-ups by yourself. So this beginner cycle includes door push-up with 3 sets of 20 repetitions every day for 3 to 4 weeks. Then start doing knee push-ups with 3 sets of 10 repetitions every day for 3 to 4 weeks. And then start pushing yourself towards doing normal push-ups. Do 3 sets of minimum 1 to maximum 15 repetitions every day. Next are bench dips. As we don't have any bench at our home, so we can use any couch, chair, bedside or simply your floor. Bench dips help in building your tricep muscle, which helps in reducing extra arm fat, and even if you don't have any, it's great to tone them. And even if you're doing them on floor, make sure to keep your posture right and don't put all the weight on your shoulders. I know it will be painful for few days, but just keep going because I know you can do it. So this beginner cycle includes doing bench dips with 3 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions every day, or even just twice or thrice a week to begin with. Once you perfect this, you can start doing these dips on couch or side of your bed. Do 3 sets of minimum 2 to 10 repetitions every day. Next, I start with doing reverse plank hold, which is a great way to strengthen your core, lower back and hamstrings. A great exercise for overall strength of your arm and body. Put your hands on the ground, palms down just behind and outside your hips. Then push up and lift your body until it forms a straight line from head to toe. Start doing this exercise with 3 sets of 30 seconds and gradually increasing it to 3 sets of 1 minute. Then I do diamond push-ups, and once you've mastered these, you will get some amazing benefits in your body. Your chest muscles will be strong as you are targeting your full chest. I'm doing them with the help of dough, and later you can do them on floor after practicing these for few weeks. This beginner cycle includes doing diamond push-ups with 3 sets of 20 repetitions, and after a week or so, try to increase your repetitions so that later you can do them on floor. And now the most easiest one for you guys, arm circles. This helps to build muscle, tone in your shoulders, triceps and biceps, and the best part is that it can be done pretty much anywhere. It also reduces excess fat in the back of your upper arms. These targeted toning exercises ensures that the muscles that are displayed are well defined. So this beginner cycle includes doing arm circles for 30 seconds and at least 3 to 4 sets clockwise and anti-clockwise.
So guys, these were all the exercises I had for you guys today. These are the ones which I'm actually doing currently at home right now. I know थोड़ी बहुत tough है and थोड़ी बहुत easy भी है, but if we'll keep practicing, we'll get hold of that. And yeah, if you learned something, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And अगर और कोई भी workout exercises है which you guys are following at home, don't forget to share it with me in comments down below, because we all read that and you know we always want to learn. And make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.